Hello everyone, I'm Christian and today I'm excited to present my final project, a web application built using Django and Python. It's a simple, fast, and effective lost and found system. The main concept behind is to help people easily reunite lost items with their rightful owners. Think of a school campus, a public library, or an office building. Instead of confusing papers, logs, or messy emails, provides a single organized platform. This makes the process transparent and dramatically increase the change of a successful return. Now let's look at the content and functionality. The main page is where users who find an item can report it. I'll demonstrate by reporting a found iPhone. Click Report an item. Fill in the details. Item name, descriptions, and location. I can also upload an image of an item for visual confirmation. After clicking Submit Report, the new item instantly appears on the main screen for everyone to see. This is the core functionality, making found items immediately visible. From a technical standpoint, the heart of the system is the admin panel. I'll navigate to the admin login. I've set up a simple login for authorized staff like Peter Parker or your chosen name. Once logged in, the admin can manage reports. Here the items are listed, and the admin has two crucial functions: status management and deletions. When an owner claims an item, the admin can change its status from pending to claim. If a report is a duplicate or the item is returned, the admin can delete it from the system entirely. This backend management keeps the public list clean and up to date. What makes this solution unique? It's a clean, single-page interface, perfect for mobile and desktop use. Is a complete user-friendly and technically sound solution to a common problem. It successfully leverages Django power to provide centralized, transparent, and manageable lost and found system. Thank you for watching. I'm open to any questions you may have about the code or the application.